In the box. 10-foot nylon USB-C to USB-A 2. 0 fast charging cable, dark gray. Device compatibility. Connects USB-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. To standard USB-A enabled devices, laptops, hard drives, power banks, wall, car chargers, etc. Fast charging data transfer. Supports safe high-speed charging, 5V, 3A, and fast data transfer, 480 megabits per second. Reversible. Easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device. Does not matter which side is up. USB 2.0. Certified by USB if to be compliant with USB 2.0. Durable design. Tested to bend 95 degrees 5,000 times. Braided nylon for strength, flexibility, and reduced fraying. Top reviews from the United States. Works in my car with Android Auto. My Amazon Basics double braided nylon USB charger cable works great in my new Honda CR-V car with Android Auto to run Waze and other apps. The 1 foot length is just long enough so that I can put the phone in my hand to use the screen. Although I usually use the car's screen, yet it isn't so long that it gets in the way. Also, the red cable looks pretty snazzy in my red car.